Evaluate the indefinite integral of x plus 7 times the cube root of 3 minus 2x dx. With any substitution method, we will let u be the inner function of some function, in this case 3 minus 2x. This is the more complicated u substitution because the derivative is not quite the remaining part. Once we let u be 3 minus 2x, then the remaining part is x plus 7 dx, which is not the derivative of 3 minus 2x. But we will manipulate this expression to obtain what we want, which is x plus 7 dx, or a constant multiple of it. If u is 3 minus 2x, then if we isolate 2x, bring it to the left hand side, we have 3 minus u, so that x equals 1/2 3 minus u. Simplifying this, we have x equals 3/2 minus 1/2 u, so that dx equals 0 minus 1/2 du, where the differential of x is dx, the derivative of 3 over 2 is 0, and the derivative of negative 1/2 u is negative 1/2 differential du. We can then substitute dx with negative 1/2 du. The cube root of 3 minus 2x is now the cube root of u, because 3 minus 2x is u. We still need to take care of x plus 7, and that is the remaining part. But if x equals 3 over 2 minus 1/2 u, then x plus 7 equals 3 over 2 minus 1/2 u plus 7. And so if we clean up the right hand side, 3/2 plus 7, 7 is 14 over 2, we have 17 over 2 minus 1/2 u, and this will be the substitution for x plus 7. We now have all the pieces for this substitution. We rewrite this integral as the integral x plus 7 is now 17 minus u over 2. The cube root of 3 minus 2x is now the cube root of u, and dx is negative 1/2 du. We should always bring the constant multiple to the front of the integral. The constant multiple combined are 1/2 and negative 1/2, so we bring negative 1 over 4 to the front. We still have 17 minus u, and we rewrite the cube root of u at u to the 1/3 power du. To use the power rule, we would need to rewrite this. Distribute u to the 1/3. We have 17 times u to the 1/3 minus u times u to the 1/3 is 1 plus 1/3, which is 4/3. We can use the power rule for each of these terms. Negative 1 over 7 times the antiderivative of u to the 1/3 is u to the 4/3. We multiply the reciprocal of the new power minus the antiderivative of u to the 4/3 is u to the 7/3, because 4/3 plus 1 is 7 over 3. Multiply the reciprocal of the new power, which is 3 over 7. And don't forget a plus c. We then distribute the negative 1/4. Negative 1/4 times 17 times 3 over 4 is 51 over 4. U to the 4 over 3. Negative 1/4 times negative 3 is 7 is now positive 1 over 4 times 3 over 7, where we distribute the negative 1 over 4. U to the 7 over 3 plus c. This is negative 51 over 16, and we replace u with 3 minus 2x plus 3 over 28. And again, we replace u with 3 minus 2x. And this is now in terms of x only.